Critical Environment Technologies is pleased to present the SCC Self Contained Controller. The SCC is a responsive, accurate, and affordable self-contained controller designed for monitoring gas hazards in car repair shops and parking applications. The SCC is available as a single or dual channel controller with internal or remote sensor configurations. It has 6 conduit entry ports, a field-selectable internal audible alarm, and an LED panel that indicates power, channel alarm status, and fault conditions, providing you with the necessary monitoring information. It has 2 5-amp line voltage relays that have field-configurable time delays and trigger levels for control functions. With the optional 4 to 20 milliamp input, you can combine the SCC with a remote LPT transmitter for dual CO or NO2 applications. The standard water and dust-tight polycarbonate enclosure has a hinged, secured door and is corrosion resistant. With the optional splash guard installed, it is IP54 rated and protected in washdown or water spray applications. The SCC can be set up to simultaneously monitor toxic and/or combustible gas types depending on the internal or remote sensor configurations. For toxic gas monitoring, it can have 1 internal electrochemical CO sensor, or 1 internal electrochemical NO2 sensor, or 1 of each. For monitoring toxic and combustible gases, it can be configured with 1 internal CO sensor and 1 external catalytic sensor, such as hydrogen, propane, or methane. It can have 1 internal NO2 sensor and 1 external catalytic sensor. Monitoring of CO or NO2 may also be achieved remotely by combining the SCC with a 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter, such as the LPT TCO or the LPT END. The SCC is powered by either 24-volt AC/DC or 90 to 240 AC line voltage. Installation is simple to complete, and there is a lot of free space inside the housing, which provides ample room for wiring. The SCC is designed for repair shops and parking garage type applications. In a simple car park or small repair shop application, the SCC can be set up with 1 internal electrochemical CO sensor or 1 electrochemical NO2 sensor. If both gas and diesel-powered vehicles frequent the facility, the SCC can be configured with 2 internal electrochemical sensors, 1 CO and 1 NO2. In an application such as a car park with a loading dock, an internal electrochemical CO sensor and a remote LPT transmitter with an NO2 sensor may provide the monitoring coverage necessary. If propane is the gas of concern, the SCC can be set up with a remote propane sensor mounted 6 inches from the floor and can have or not have an internal CO or NO2 sensor depending on the requirements of the situation. Car parks built on old landfill sites should be monitored for methane as well as carbon monoxide. Configuring the SCC with an internal electrochemical CO sensor and a remote ceiling-mounted methane sensor would provide detection for both gases. Newer parking garages may be built with electric car charging stations, creating a concern for hydrogen buildup. When hydrogen mixes with the right amount of air, it becomes a highly flammable gas. An SCC with an internal electrochemical CO sensor and a remote ceiling-mounted hydrogen sensor may be the configuration to monitor the target gases in this example. The SCC conforms to CSA C22.2, UL 508, EMC Directive EN 61010, and FCC Part 15. If you would like more information about the SCC, contact your authorized dealer, regional sales manager, or any other member of our team at critical-environment.com or 1-877-940-8741.